Alright, so first things first, you want to put some gloves on and get some of this engine assembly lube and just lube the living hell out of your cam. Use a lot of it. And then while you're doing that, I'm just using a 5W30. You want your new lifters soaking in oil. And then after that, the valley's cleaned out, everything, and be really careful and time to install the cam once this is all lubed up and your lifters are soaking. Alright, so on these OBS trucks, the AC condenser here, you can just kind of lift out of the way like that. Get your cam started in instead of taking it all the way out. Alright, there, I got that one in. Just go slow and be super careful. It's easier with two hands, but and there you have it. Twist a little bit. Be super careful. Twist it. Find the holes and all that. And the new camshaft is in. Excuse me. A little sick, but. And there you have it. So like I said, just glove on. Lube the living hell out of the cam. Soak your lifters. Pull your AC condenser up, get your cam started, go nice and slow, careful with the bearings, and should slide right in.